Accounting accountancy career, steps to success. If you have an ambition in pursuing a career in accounting or accountancy, then you might want to start planning first before jumping into this field. This will enable you to become successful in achieving your career goals in the accounting field. Always remember that the first step to success is by having good knowledge and making the right decisions. So, here are the steps to success in order for you to become successful in your chosen career. The first is that you should excel in math. You have to remember that accounting is all about numbers and how to manipulate it. Therefore, you have to make sure that you are good at math in high school. A person who doesn't like math doesn't succeed in the accounting field. Take extra attention on your math subjects, and always ask your teachers and counselors for guidance on which courses you must take if you plan on pursuing a career in accounting. This will help you out in making a clearer path for your goals. The second thing that you have to do is request information from a college or university you plan on attending about their accounting course offer. Always remember that getting good education on your chosen course is very important. In this case, you have to choose a college or university that can offer you a solid education for their accountancy courses. Companies are particularly choosy when it comes to the educational background of their prospective accountants. As mentioned before, information will get you well prepared. So, the third thing that you should do is research on the requirements for becoming a certified public accountant or a CPA. Although being a CPA is not required by companies, it is preferred. If you want to stand out when you are applying as an accountant in a company or an accounting firm, you might want to get certified. Basically, in order to become a CPA, you will need to get a bachelor's degree in accounting or another courses related to business. By knowing what is required, you will become better prepared when you are going to pursue a career in this field. Also, if you are now going to start your first career or job, you will normally do it in your own state after graduating. So, try to know if you fulfilled the state requirements. If you don't, then you might get problems in starting your accounting career in the future. Computers are now used in most companies today. Because of this, you have to know and become proficient with the different types of accounting software. Everything today is now computerized, and not knowing how to work an accounting software program will lead to difficulty in finding jobs in the accounting field. Experience is very valuable. Having more will mean opening up more career opportunities. So, try getting jobs that is related in the accounting field you choose. Being prepared for your future career is what you should be doing if you have ambitions in starting a career in the accounting or accountancy field. By being prepared, you can be sure that you will not run into any problems in the future and ensure a smooth career path that can lead to your goals and success.